Hi there, Martin Tyler here for you from the Juventus Stadium. And here for you today, Juventus against Barcelona. It's Cristiano Ronaldo against Luis Suarez.
Well, Cristiano Ronaldo, he is a fantastic header of the ball. Not only that, he can climb early, he climbs high. As for Luis Suarez, he's a master of interplay, of making those little 1-2s, give and goes, and accelerating onto the ball.
A pat on the back for Juventus a few years ago when they were designing the new stadium. They wanted to make it a proper football ground. We have so many grounds around the world with running tracks and other reasons for being a long way away from the pitch, which is very poor for the supporters, who are the ones that really matter. So this is the kind of football ground that you want to be at.
I think so, definitely. I mean, they've not been over-ambitious with the capacity, 41,500, but it does make for a compact, atmospheric stadium.
The Juventus lineup then. One thing to look out for from this team today is the way they try and win the ball back within seconds of losing it.
Yeah, and they don't do it individually. They get backed up by a teammate. They hunt in packs, and you've got to do that. You've got to do it with discipline.
Barcelona's lineup here. Marc-Andre ter Stegen starts in goal. Gerard Piqué starts with Samuel Umtiti as the centre-backs. Arturo Vidal starts with Sergio Busquets in central midfield. Luis Suarez is the lone striker today. Well, the kickoff is underway, and sit back and enjoy what should be 90 minutes of fabulous football with Juventus very much to the fore. Anticipated the direction of the pass and was able to intervene. It's a good press from the team that have won the ball here. Douglas, this could be it. Douglas Costa, can he do it? Wonderful reflexes to make the save from close range. Corner now for Juventus. Here comes the corner. Defended well. A turnover to the opposition because of that poor touch. Cuadrado. Coutinho.
Well, I don't know who the lad saw there passing the ball. Somebody in the crowd, maybe.
Miralem Pjanic. I think he saw the look from the other player and saw where the pass was going and read it. Suarez. This is how they love to play on the break. Strong, powerful clearance. Messi. Sergio Roberto. It's not really away. Poor clearance. Dybala. Break quickly when they get possession. Bit predictable with the passing and the opposition able to deal with that. Well, Barcelona don't play too many matches where you think they might not necessarily get the win today, and this is one of them.
Well, it is, and they normally respond to that situation, but they're not going to have it all their own way, are they, out here this afternoon?
Luis Suarez gets his foot in there. Brilliant pass, can he finish it? It's a goal! No goal, flag up.
Well, that assistant there, he was certain the flag went up straight away.
This is going to clear it up for us, Alan, I think.
Well, looking at the goal score, he was convinced he'd timed his run, but looking at it, that's a great decision by the assistant.
Jordi Alba. It's one back.
Well, he makes that transition happen quickly.
There's a dangerous feel to this attack. It's looking good from their point of view. And here's the shot. Wonderful save. saw the pass coming and got there first. They can come forward, Barcelona, now in the wide position. Cristiano Ronaldo. Jordi Alba. Sergio Busquets. They've lost the ball and the counter-attack could be there. Miralem Pjanic. Douglas Costa. Threading it through. And that's easily dealt with by Ter Stegen. He's one-on-one with the goalkeeper. It's opened up. It's come off the goalkeeper, still in play. Coutinho. Probing away. Shot on! Good block.
That missed chance has almost galvanised these Juve fans.
Getting the ball back and thinking attack straight away. Clever ball. Dybala is still going towards goal quickly. Coutinho. Jordi Alba. Time and a bit of room as well for Coutinho. Anticipated the direction of the pass and was able to intervene. Ivan Rakitic. Well, we're halfway through, and we haven't yet got a goal to bring to you. 0-0 at half-time. Your view, Alan Smith, on Cristiano Ronaldo's first half?
Didn't quite...
Still great anticipation here as we get ready for the second half. It's Messi. Here's Douglas Costa. Maybe just kicked it a little bit there and pass goes straight to the opposition. Plenty of space out wide and they're going to use it. Arturo Vidal. Lionel Messi. Poor attempt at a pass, really. Busquets. Luis Suarez. Return to Vidal. Got to pass the ball a bit better than this if they're going to make progress. Giving it straight away. Well, there is an injured player and the teams haven't put the ball out. It is the referee who has called a halt. Well, the injured player has gone off. We're going to get the game restarted with a drop ball. Substitute ready to come on for Barcelona. Good interception there. That's foul play by Sami Khedira. It's definitely a yellow in the mind of the referee, definitely.
Well, I think it unquestionably was. I mean, on another day, he might have got a red for that. It was a really dangerous challenge.
Did you see anything cynical in that, Alan?
Oh, that is a clumsy tackle. It really is, and no question it was a foul.
Barcelona are going to make this change. Good defensive clearance there. Lionel Messi. Coutinho. Now with Messi. Shots on here. Hit it hard, but not very true. Coutinho. We've given it straight to the opposition. On to Ronaldo. Slipping it through. Well, the kind of save you make after training every day for that kind of situation from close range. Alexandro. He had a chance to keep the ball in play, but he hasn't been able to do that. Sergio Roberto. And now Messi. Oh, it's easy here for the keeper. Now it goes into the wider areas where they've got a winger waiting. Piqué. Sergio Busquets. Messi. Now this is Lionel Messi! Out in front of goal. Wonderful save from Wojciech Szczesny. Corner now for Barcelona. Well, here comes the corner. Piqué! He's refused to be beaten here.
Well, standing ovation from the fans, and why not? What a stop.
Still such a danger with the ball at his feet, Cristiano Ronaldo. Dybala. With Ronaldo. Short passes, but they're keeping the ball. Ronaldo. Vidal. And they've got their new man ready, Barcelona, to make the change. Sergio Busquets. Stopping the pass, getting through with a good piece of anticipation. Shot on! Kept his concentration, the goalkeeper, and because of that, kept hold of the ball.
Yeah, he seems to feel the goal, this lad. He's quite an imposing keeper.
Just a mistake, really. He's not even asked too much of the opponent. It's just a mishit pass. Vidal. Good work, really, to read the intention of the pass. Ref's gone back to deal with that earlier incident, yellow card.
He's one of my favourite refs. He doesn't miss much, this lad.
And it's Messi who's coming off. Well, we're down to the last minute here. Well, the signal's gone up for 2 minutes. For Juventus, maybe a last attack as Ronaldo. Chance to get the ball in the box. They've soaked up a lot of danger here. And the referee's brought the regulation time to a close with the team still level. Well, the coaches here have had their say. Both teams back in position now. We're looking rather tired as we finish regulation time, but they, I'm sure, will be revitalised. Ter Stegen showing great reach, great reflexes.
The kind of save any keeper would be proud of.
Matuidi. On to now the shot! And it's hit the post and gone behind. Vidal. On the move and able to cut out the pass. Dybala. Still got a bit to do. We can put them in front. The ball's loose. Goalkeeper made the save, but he couldn't hold it. Juventus will get the throw. Here's Emre Can. Ronaldo. A goal at last! The first goal of the game. And we've waited well over an hour to get it. But it's the team that have looked the most likely that have done it. And maybe they will use this as a platform to go on to win now. They will expect the opposition to come back at them. They'll have to. He saw the gap down in the bottom corner. Boy, did he find it well.
Well, that is the sign of a clinical finisher. Somebody that knows where the goals are. They don't have to look up.
It's Juventus in front. That's his game, isn't it? Intercepting. Now Cuadrado. He's gone into some traffic, but it could be dangerous here for the opposition. Cuadrado! Oh, they could have pushed on if he put that away.
They've got to show the killer touch, they really have.
With great vision here. Needs to stay cool now. Dembele! Been a really good match this. And we reached the end of the first half of extra time. And it's down to the last 15 minutes now as we go into the second half of extra time. Sergio Busquets. Jordi Alba. Samuel Umtiti. Luis Suarez. Busquets. And that's Chiellini clearing it away. The noise levels have gone up even more. And the scenario remains the same, the one-goal lead. And we're into the last 10 minutes.
Well, the way things are shaping up, it looks like the home team are going to see out this lead, but still a chance for things to change.
Dembele. Put into the middle. Shot blocked here. It's a difficult technique, and he didn't quite catch it.
Yeah, fair play for taking it on. Takes a bit of confidence to do that.
Good place to win the ball here. He might be through. Surely! It's brilliant goalkeeping. The save itself, but the timing of it at this stage of the game, and he preserves his team's lead, the keeper.
Yeah, I think he's just won the match for his side. That's why you try and get the very best keeper you can. He's earned all the points here.
Coutinho plays the ball in. Up for grabs here. And the goalkeeper's got it at last. And this time, in a way where he can take the heat out of the situation. It was pretty hot for him just before that, wasn't it? What a very good save.
Well, you saw how he...
Good ball in behind from Matuidi. Got the opposition backpedaling a little bit. Emre Can. Oh, an important interception that. The victory today goes to Juventus. Well, they've got their whole package here, haven't they? They put this game on to try and get a bit of a feel-good factor in the camp, and the result has done that, and the way they've gone about their work.
Yeah, I think so. I mean, you never like to emphasise the necessity to win, but it's always a bonus when you do, and particularly when you've got a bit more match practice for your players.